In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully sign up for Booksy Biz and set up your business profile. We'll walk through each step to ensure your online booking system is up and running smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the Booksy Biz website. Once you're there, look for the Try Free button. Clicking on this allows you to create your business profile, a crucial first step in getting your services available to clients online. This trial setup will give you full access to Booksy's features without any initial commitment, so you can really get a feel for how it works before making any long-term decisions. Next up is setting up your profile. Start by uploading your business logo and a cover photo. These visuals are what prospective clients will see first, so make sure they are high quality and truly represent your brand. Then, add a detailed description of the services you offer. This is where you can convey what makes your services unique. Don't forget to include your location along with contact information and business hours. You should also link your social media accounts such as Instagram and Facebook. This makes it easy for clients to engage with your content and keep up with any updates or promotions you have. Once your profile looks great, it's time to dive into the Services tab. Here, you can click Add Service to begin listing what you offer. Be sure to fill in all the essential details like the service name, duration, price, and a brief description. This information will help clients know what to expect, and accurate details will enhance customer satisfaction. Managing your staff is just as important, so head over to the Team tab. You'll need to enter the names and schedules of each of your barbers. By assigning specific services to each staff member, you can ensure that appointments are booked with the right person, streamlining the process and reducing any chance for error or double bookings. Next, it's crucial to set up your payments. This can be done by navigating to Settings and then clicking on Payments. Here you'll connect your payment processor, such as Stripe, enabling you to accept payments online. This feature is fantastic for both you and your clients as it simplifies the transaction process, offering convenience and security. To improve customer communication, head to Settings and then Notifications. In this section, you can customize how appointment reminders and confirmations are sent out, choosing between SMS or email based on what works best for your clients. Finally, it's time to promote your booking link. Share this link on your website, social media platforms, and even your Google business profile. This not only boosts your visibility, but also makes it incredibly